Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Code. Today we've got some major updates about Cardano that could seriously change the game. There's growing interest from big institutions, some exciting new developments from Charles Hoskinson, and even whale activity picking up fast. So, $7 ADA by early 2026? It's not just hype, it might actually be realistic. Let's talk about it. Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin and a free weekly trade alert just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. No purchase needed. Our trade alerts have a 93% win rate, so make sure you take advantage of this free alert. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So do your own research before you make any crypto trades. Okay, so first, one of the biggest pieces of news is that Franklin Templeton, a massive asset manager with over $1.6 trillion under management, just met with Cardano Foundation's CEO, Friedrich Greygard. And they're not just talking about ADA, they're actually running a Cardano node. That's a huge sign of commitment. Big institutions don't do that unless they're serious. On top of that, the Cardano team is headed to Washington, D.C. to meet with U.S. policymakers. The goal? To help shape blockchain-related regulation. That kind of access could make ADA one of the few projects truly aligned with future U.S. frameworks. It's smart, strategic, and honestly, it's what we want to see from long-term plays like Cardano. Now here's something that really caught our attention. Charles Hoskinson recently said that Cardano is becoming the go-to platform for Bitcoin script development. What that means is, if you're a Bitcoin developer, you'll soon be able to build smarter, faster, and cheaper using Cardano's VMX layer. That's massive. It's not just about ADA anymore, it's about becoming a core part of the Bitcoin dev ecosystem. If that takes off, the demand for ADA could go through the roof. And clearly, some big players agree because whales are loading up. Just recently, more than 180 million ADA was bought up by whale wallets. That's around $126 million in value. When we see accumulation like that, it usually means smart money is getting into position before a major move. But here's where things get even more interesting. Hoskinson dropped a hint that he might be appearing on a major podcast next month, possibly the Joe Rogan Experience. He didn't confirm the name, but he called it probably the biggest podcast and said he's flying out to record. If that's true, that kind of exposure could bring a ton of fresh eyes and new investors to Cardano. All right, now let's look at what the charts are showing. Cardano's price is currently testing the top of a bull flag pattern on the USD chart. If it breaks out from here, we could see a move up to around $2.85. That's just based on the technical pattern, but the real potential lies in the ADA-BTC trading pair. Historically, the 700 Satoshi level is key. Right now, we're hovering around 650 sats. If Cardano can flip 700 sats into support and hold it, that's typically where the fireworks begin, just like we've seen in previous cycles. So what would ADA's price look like in different scenarios? Let's break it down. If Cardano climbs to 2,000 sats and Bitcoin hits $140,000, ADA would be worth around $2.80. If Bitcoin hits $180,000, you're looking at $3.06 ADA. Now, if Cardano gets to 3,500 sats and if Bitcoin is at $140,000, ADA would be about $4.90. And if Bitcoin reaches $225,000, ADA could surge to around $7.88. That's nearly $8 per ADA. Wild? Sure. Impossible? Not with the momentum we're seeing right now. So what do you think? Could Cardano actually hit $7 by early 2026? Let me know your prediction in the comments. We're watching this one closely. Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. If you register for the workshop, you also get access to a free weekly trade alert. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We have already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 93% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.